welcome back to Tips and Tricks. Well, today we are going to be learning about current, voltage, resistance, and all about Ohm's law. So first, let us learn about current. Current or electric current is the flow of electrons in a substance. Usually these electrons are free. Not usually, every time they need to be free. So I have drawn a diagram here. So these two electrons are not free, and neither are these 5. These 3 are free electrons, and they usually take part in reactions, etc. So the vocabulary for current is through. A lot of people make mistakes in vocabulary, and you'll understand why when we learn about voltage. So the unit for current is ampere. Even though due to our advanced technology and modernization of technology, we need to use milliamps. Now let's learn about voltage. So voltage, it is the push which helps current to flow. Have you ever learned about the distance, speed and time formula in mathematics or physics in 6th or 7th grade maybe? So in there, think that you are the electron and the distance is the wire, and think the voltage is the speed. You understand that force we are giving to the electron. That force is called voltage. For example, here in India, through your regular wall outlet, you get 240 volts. And the unit for voltage is volts. Now let us learn about resistance. So resistance, it opposes the flow of current. A resistor has a quality of resistance. So here is a simple resistor. So you don't have any sort of vocabulary for resistance. The unit is ohms, and resistor symbol is that zigzag line. Is the symbol for a resistor. Now let us learn about Ohm's law. So Ohm's law is I is equal to V over R. You might understand, okay, V is voltage, R is resistance, but what is I? Well, have a look here. I is equal to current. Usually we denote current with the letter I. So current is equal to voltage over or upon resistance. So if we use algebra, V is equal to I into R. Voltage is equal to current into resistance, or V is equal to IR. And resistance is equal to voltage upon current, or R is equal to V upon I. So let's take an example. For example, let us find the resistance of resistor, or should we find the voltage? Okay, we shall find the voltage. For example, now you have 5 amps of current and maybe a 5 ohm resistor. So 5 into 5, 25. So that current is going at 25 volts across the wire or across the circuit. And when you have milliamps and kilo ohms, for example, 5 milliamps and 5 kilo ohms, they both cancel out. The milli and the kilo cancel out, and they give us volts, regular volts. So that's it for this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel.